Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money to Bosnia in the Remitly app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go to the manage menu in the bottom right corner. Then we tap on sending to under account details, and from here we just select Bosnia. And here after we tap on the country, we will be able to send the money by tapping on send at the bottom of the screen and entering the amount that we want to transfer. And also we can select the currency. Then we tap on continue and enter our bank account details to finalize the money transfer. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.